Hello, I'm celebrating reaching 40,000 members in my Facebook group, The Magical Paper Pantry, and I am so excited. Thank you so much. By way of celebration and thanks, I'm offering you this 6-page kit, which is vintage ephemera, dotted about on an aged paper background. You can do so much with this. It's going to be so useful ongoing, and that's why I chose this one for you, because you know you're going to get a lot out of it. I will leave the link for you. If you are watching this on Facebook, I'll leave the link for my YouTube channel so you can come and get amongst that. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll leave the link for the Magical Paper Pantry Facebook group so you can come and get amongst that, and obviously the link to the kit as well. So thank you so much to all the members of the Magical Paper Pantry for all you sharing all your project photos, for your comments on other people's work. That is so valuable to us. For your questions, for your answers. Welcome to all the new members who are coming in, who are new to junk journaling. That's really exciting. Massive thanks, big love, and I really hope you enjoy this kit.